Digital solutions form the backbone of virtually every business process these days. They require data engineers, software engineers, database experts, systems architects, developers in order to be successful. Implementing those projects and managing such a diverse team requires managerial skills, entrepreneurial skills, and a solid technical basis. The Digital Solutions Management 3-term graduate certificate program at Conestoga College meets all of those needs. Students will learn managerial skills, leadership skills, entrepreneurial skills, solid foundation in technology, as well as foundational understanding of organizational behavior, financial analysis. This program is designed to prepare graduates to take on managerial and leadership roles within IT, within a variety of industries, including project management, software development management, vendor relations, and any other area involving digital solutions.